Imagine that you had a blueprint to the next Apple, Google, or Tesla. But what if you knew the behind the scenes plan of Silicon Valley most winning companies? What makes billion-dollar ideas pop from this small geography? How are a startup born out of a garage and take control of the whole world? And what is their secret in their hiring and innovation that make them unstoppable? Stay till the end because I will reveal the most unexpected business secret that even Fortune 500 companies struggle to master. One of the biggest secrets behind Silicon Valley success is first principle thinking, a method used by Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and Jeff Bezos. Instead of copying what already exists, they break down problem to their core and rebuild solution from the ground up. For instance, when Elon Musk started SpaceX, he did not simply accept the fact that rockets are costly. He broke down the raw material, determined how much they actually cost, and designed rockets from scratch, cutting expense by nearly 90%. Now consider this. What is stopping you from applying first principle to your business or career? Unlike other businesses which fear failure, Silicon Valley embraces it. Companies here believe in failing fast, failing cheap, and learning quickly. Google killed over 200 projects, include Google Glass and Google Plus. Yet they keep innovating. Amazon Fire Phone was a massive failure. But the technology helped create Alexa. The key lesson, every failure is just an experiment leading to success. So, are you failing enough in your journey or are you playing too safe? Ever wondered why companies like Facebook, Uber, and Airbnb become unbeatable? It's the network effect. Here is how it works. The more users join, the more valuable the platform becomes, making it harder for competitors to catch up. Facebook become a monopoly because everyone's friends were already there. Uber dominates because more drivers equal shorter wait time, which entails more riders. If you are building a business, you should ask how can your product become worth more as people use it. Did you know that Steve Jobs had a pretty simple hiring rule? He felt that only an A player, the top 1% talent, attract other A players. Silicon Valley companies don't just look for smart people, they hire those who obsess over solving big problems. So the next time you hire or work with someone, ask yourself, are they an A player who will raise the bar or just another average worker? Silicon Valley does not think in small steps, they think in 10x leap. Google mission was not to make a slightly better search engine, it was to organize the world's information. Tesla did not aim to improve car, it aimed to make gasoline obsolete. This mindset is what separates ordinary businesses from billion-dollar disruptors. Now, here is the question. Are you aiming for 10% improvement or a 10x revolution? Here is the most unexpected truth. Silicon Valley is not just a place, it's a mindset. It's about questioning everything. It's about taking massive risks. It's about playing the long game when others look for quick wins. The real question is, are you ready to think like Silicon Valley and build something legendary? Let me know in the comment what is the biggest lesson you are taking from this. And if you found the valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more business insight.